Welcome to Mysuru. What you see is the world-renowned Mysore Palace. The idea of Mysuru is more than that of a place or a mere name. This is the home of the Vadiyar heritage, a cradle of the arts, the very symbol of fine taste and living. The Mysore Palace is a grand representation of our history. This is the new palace. The history of the palace of the Mysuru Vadiyars is long, stretching across 550 years. Oh yes, Mahakali, Lakshmi and Saraswati. Our Devi Chamundi is the manifestation of this godly triumvirate, the divine testimony to our living faith. We place our trust in the grace of Goddess Chamundi, for she is the beginning, the middle and the end of the history of Mysuru.
Merciful Goddess, Shri Gauri, save us. Limpid-eyed consort of Lord Shankara, bestow happiness on us, O giver of boons.
This region is referred to as Mahisha Mandala in the Puranas, the old mythologies. The coming here of Chamundi is an exciting story. Long ago, there lived here a Rakshasa, a demon called Mahisha. He was very cruel and tortured people mercilessly. Mahisha's great desire was to become immortal. He did severe penance, meditating on Lord Shiva. Pleased by this penance, Lord Shiva appeared. Shankara Shiva Shiva Shankara Shankara Shiva Shiva Shankara Shankara Shiva Shiva Shankara Shankara Shiva Shiva Shankara.
My ardent devotee Mahishasura, rise. I appear before you. Pleased am I with your penance.
I am blessed, Lord of Silence. I am blessed.
Rise, my son, rise now. May your desire be fulfilled. Seek a boon, granted shall it be.
Lord of the universe, grant that I may not be killed by either man or beast that hails from the three realms, Atala, Vitala, and Patala.
So be it.
Mahisha, till then a blight on the people, now became a menace to the gods themselves.
Oh no, this is unbearable. What torture is this? Oh no! Devendra!
Lord Indra spoke for the gods.
Oh Lord of Kailas, I bow to you.
Devendra, coward, stop there!
Oh Lord of Kailas, this Mahisha is beyond our control. We cannot bear his assaults. Protect us, Lord.
I am really helpless. Grant I can a boon, but take it back. I cannot.
I have the boon, Lord Shiva's boon. Not man nor beast can do harm to me. I am myself the Lord of the universe.
True, death will be caused by neither man nor beast, but caused it could be yet by woman. Goddess Parvati is an incarnation of Shakti, the divine power. Invoke her, invest all your powers in her.
Savior of the destitute, Mother of the universe, great goddess, save us, save us.
What is it that makes you that all the gods must invoke me?
Mother, protect us from Mahisha. We cannot suffer this torture anymore.
Devi, my consort, you are an incarnation of Shakti. You alone can slay Mahisha.
As you please, my lord. I will slay Mahisha by taking the form of Chamundi.
Mysuru of Krishnaraja IV.
ನಾಲ್ಮಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮೈಸೂರು ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ನಾಡದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಇಳೆಯ ಮಾದರಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗನು ಸಿರದು ಮೈಸೂರು ನಾಲ್ಮಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮೈಸೂರು
Of Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV, Jayachamaraja Wadiyar became the king of Mysuru itself every year in the great Dasara festivities. In today's Dasara, now observed as a people's festival, we carry goddess Bhuvaneshwari, the deity of the land, in a grand procession. All of Mysuru rejoices in this festival of enlightenment. We cleanse ourselves in the holy Kaveri and fill our eyes with Mother Chamundi. We stand mute at the resplendent beauty of this lit palace. Mysuru glows iridescently in its many hues. Mysuru Dasara, our Dasara. It brings tradition alive year after year. This tradition will live forever. Welcome to Mysuru. Now, here, forever.